How to control who can see your WhatsApp status. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app. Here, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap onto your setting. Here, you will be able to see a privacy option. Tap on it. Tap status on the privacy. Here, you will see three options such as My Contact Accept, Only Share With. Tap your preferred privacy option, select or exclude contact as needed, then tap Done or Save to confirm. Remember, your status update disappears after 24 hours and these settings apply to all status you post. And that's how you control who sees your WhatsApp status. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.